awarded by Congresswoman Camille Villar. Also with us, Ganesh Rajaram, Fremantle Media General Manager, EVP Sales of Asia International, and ABS-CBN's Chief Operating Officer for Broadcast, Ms. Cory Vadanes. Good evening again. Bago natin i-announce ang resulta, gusto muna namin magpasalamat sa milyong-milyong tumutok around the world sa TV at online. Thank you. Thank you so much at sinamahan nyo kami buong season. At siguradong marami pa tayong pagsasamahan dahil ang Search for the Idol Philippines ay magbabalik para sa isa pang season. Kita-kits tayo sa Season 2, mga kapamilya. Wow! At ngayon, oras na para sa resulta. May we call in Ms. Eloisa Balmores, Head of ABS-CBN Com Group Internal Audit, to hand over the results. Thank you very much. Ito na mga kapamilya. James, to the honors.
Garnering the highest combined scores of 100%.
Ang mag-uuwi ng trip for 4 to Taiwan at brand new house and lot with a recording contract and 2 million pesos.
Ikaw ang kauna-unahang Idol Philippines.
Tita Cory, please do the honors.
Congratulations! Stephanie!
Congratulations din kina Lance at Lucas. Job well done. Wow, you both are stars in your own way. And we will see more of you. Palakpakan natin our first Idol Philippines Grand Winner, Stephanie! Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Judges, maraming salamat sa ating idol band headed by Mr. Raul Mitra. Thank you sa ating designers Carl Arcusa, Mac Tumang, John Losa, Abel Bacujo, Daryl Maat, Otelon Zimpao, Nat Milalak, Jojo Bragais, and High Culture, Erwin Flores. Thank you so much sa lahat.